Sculpt with me as an amateur keycap artist. Start with rolling your clay, cover the keycap, and constantly trim and smooth as you go along. I use thicker clay in other areas and push to close up any gaps. Then I make kind of a barbell shape for the face. I like to sculpt smaller than the size I want it to be so I can press it into the base and spread it to my desired size. This also helps the detail stay on stronger. Another tip is to use Q-tips and nail polish remover between each step. It helps get rid of things like color transfer, lint, and also helps smooth out fingerprints. For the eyes, I use the inner circle as a guide for the outer circle, ensuring the gap is pretty even all around to keep it circular. I'm still very new when it comes to making keycaps, but I've been sculpting with polymer clay ever since I was 12. I had gotten 5 commissions during ALA in January, and this one turned out to be my favorite. While I still to this day have no idea what I sculpted, I think it's okay because neither did my commissioner.